Hello and welcome to Life Matters with Judith A. Thank you for tuning in. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, I encourage you to do so. Thank you. I mentioned in an earlier episode titled Introduction to Biopsy that there are three main methods of taking tissue samples to be tested in the lab. 1. Ultrasound guided biopsy. 2. Stereotactic guided biopsy. And 3. MRI guided biopsy. Now, MRI has a whole different set of rules, so I will speak on that in another episode. Let's look at ultrasound guided biopsy. Once you arrive at the department, you change into a gown or a robe that is provided. One of the members on the team who will be performing your biopsy, typically a nurse or a doctor, will go over the procedure with you. The patient signs the consent forms, giving us permission to perform the biopsy. Now, at that encounter, post-procedure instructions are given, and then the team is ready to start their biopsy. Our patient lays on their back, and then technologist's role in this procedure is to take images. A nurse is present for the medication, among other duties, such as also providing comfort to the patient. The radiologist takes the tissue samples, anywhere up to about 6 passes, with a needle biopsy after cleaning the area with some antiseptic solution. Now, when the tissues are taken, a marker is placed in the biopsy site to mark the spot. Please note, it is important to tell either the nurse or doctor that goes over the paperwork with you, that's signing the consent and such, about any allergies that you may have before the procedure. For a stereotactic biopsy, the technologist on the team takes some images to accurately locate the area of concern. Now, there are 2 ways of doing this. In some facilities, a patient will lay on a table prone, meaning you're laying on your stomach. That can be uncomfortable for particularly patients who are a little on the heavy side. And in some facilities, there's a chair that the patient somewhat comfortably sits in, and then radiologist, after cleaning the area, takes tissue samples. Now, for every one of these biopsies, we've talked about the ultrasound guided biopsy, also about stereotactic. A clip is left within the breast, that area that was sampled, so that if anything else has to be done after the biopsy, there's a marker there to locate the area. After the clip is placed within the breast, a couple of gentle mammograms are taken just to ensure that the clip is in the right place. Now, after that, you're encouraged to go home and follow the directions that were given to you. Sometimes in some facilities, you're given some ice packs to soothe the area. And then if you go anywhere to get your exams done, make sure that you have a number that you can call in case you are having any complications, and make sure that you get help. We'll end here for today and continue another time. So until I see you, take care of yourself. Be kind to yourself and to others. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like the videos. Thank you, and God bless.